In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add more views to a board in Monday.com. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to find, choose, and add new views so you can look at your work in the way that makes the most sense for you and your team. Let's get started by opening the board where you want to add a new view. At the top of your board, you'll see a row that shows your current views, such as Main Table, Kanban, or Calendar, depending on what you already have set up. Just above your items in that Views section, look for a small plus sign. This plus sign is your entry point for adding new views. Go ahead and click on that plus sign. When you click the plus sign, a small menu will appear. In that menu, you should see an option labeled Explore More Views. This is where Monday.com keeps all the additional view types you can use. Click on Explore More Views to open the full View Center. Now you'll see a panel or window that shows different kinds of views and apps you can add to your board. There is usually a search bar near the top of this panel. This is where you can type in the name of the view you're looking for. For example, you might search for Calendar, Gantt, Kanban, Form, or Chart, depending on how you want to visualize your data. Start typing the view you want into the search bar. As you type, Monday.com will filter the results and show you the matching views. Once you see the view you're interested in, take a brief moment to confirm it is the right one. Often, there will be a short description or an icon that helps you understand what that view does. When you're sure this is the view you want to use, simply click on it. This selects that specific view and opens its details. After you click on the view, you'll see an option to add it to your board. Look for a button that says Add to Board or Add on Board. This is the final step to make the view available on your board. Click that button and Monday.com will create the new view and attach it to your board's view bar at the top. From here, you can click your new view in the views bar to start using it